Hell yeah.
I don't know. I think Willy Wonka's gonna give him 4 gold pieces. What do we want? I think the Wild Eagle
Let me
comes with
look into it.
Survey. He's got the highest evasion. He doesn't have as much. He also has the highest armor.
Survey is nice.
I think that he might be a pretty good one.
Yeah. He does have the lowest health, but it's just like 2.
What's his name?
He's
I
got
know.
Evade Up group. Oh, you get to name him?
Yes, and if he dies, I'm gonna be kind of sad. I named him after my grandpa. Because he liked Eagles so much. Normally it's funny names, but I couldn't help myself.
Get
Aw,
it?
shit.
Get it? We don't have much time.
Okay, Queen. Slay, I guess?
Now the real question is, do I use all 3 of my focus to get to that thing up there?
The question mark? Or the,
No, the Warrior's Graveyard.
I had to
Because
pick.
it's an eye thing.
Did it say anything about what it could be? Not really. I don't know.
Shift and spec.
It could be worth it.
I could gain an item, but it's might be a fight also. But if it's a Warrior's Graveyard, it's going to be probably some sort of spirit, which I do
Yeah.
10% more damage to. I think I'm going for it.
Nice.
To gain an item anyways. I mean, honestly, I think I'm going to equip him for now.
Yeah. Fight over there. Okay, I'm gonna. That's just this pad. Let's fight this.
It is a little upsetting that you can't control him.
Yeah. You fucker.
That was nice.
Did you hear all that shit fall on my desk? Because that's the cat.
I did. I was saying nice to the ring.
Can you put it in the middle or no?
It was. I don't think it was letting me. Oh, me switching to this gets rid of the shield.
It does. We're just gonna take that.
Yeah. I'm gonna say I don't really want it. It's not the greatest on your guys, but better than your guys than my guys. Wonka
Gonna have a
William
go
is
ahead.
hurting. Yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking. No shit, Trip's poisoned. Mm. Where we where we heading now, realistically?
We gotta do these. He's gotta go to this brain thing down here. At the pier real quick.
Thing down here. Right here. Okay. Oh shit. We got trouble.
And then next we need to go over here to the tavern.
Yep.
So I'm just gonna get my guy close to it.
That one I think is a fight. It might pull us all in though. You're getting a lot of shit from that guy. Ooh.
Yep. Once your lady gets here.
Yep. He's the furthest.
He looks pretty baller right now.
Oh yeah, he do be kind of looking. Looking like he's a gang member.
From the gang of Steal Your Presents.
Yeah. And I'll steal Christmas too.
Yes.
Damn.
Yo, see the mushrooms right there? It would take
I
focus for you
do.
to get to them.
I'm already poisoned, so I mean,
What's a little more poison?
right now it's, I think it just reset the counter, but see if that shit drags us in.
Oh.
Okay, never mind.
Well, it's got a like a distance on it.
I see. Closest she can get. Ooh. I got a card. Okay, so that's an overworld ability. Hero deck.
You might as well fight this.
He's the only one up front. Shock deals damage too, right? Or does it not?
What does? Shock? I don't know. I don't think it does.
I'm just gonna take the sniper down. Oh yeah, shock just makes it so they can't hit it perfect. I think.
Yeah.
Nice. You go ahead and take this, you'd be better. So many of those things. Ooh.
fucking bastards.
First chest we find is a fucking mimic.
I thought, no way.
No! I can't deal damage. I guess she can still, like, punch, maybe.
She can do that. Strike, yeah.
Oh, I gotta move up to do that.
Oh, shoot. Okay, no, he's shocked.
Nice. Ooh.
Yo.
Oh yeah, you've got big hearts. You take this.
Yeah. Well, might as well.
Might as well, yeah.
That's probably... You'll have to see how it is compared to his other shield, but he was using a shield.
It's +1. Yeah, this is definitely better than my other shield. Because I got party armor and armor up neighbors. And a taunt that comes with it. I think that would be losing both our AoE. Because isn't the Grinch got the fucking... Ooh.
Yes, but no, we have the boomerang now.
Okay, yeah. Am I close enough for you to hand me that one thing?
Well, I could do this. I'm gonna have to sell shit.
Realistically.
I think, oh my god, that correct thing is on. Will this pull you in? No. Where's your toy at? Oh, gonna fuck up the blankets on the ground. Oh, don't spill the water, please.
It would have been close enough to pull her in if she had her weapon.
Yeah. Can you not equip it?
'Cause
Not
I
on her
gave-
turn?
Oh, did you give it to her? I
Yeah.
didn't even see that. There we go. Now she's got support range
Now you
again.
should be able to take us in with the other guy. Butters is going to town on this fucking... I said it was a blanket, but it's actually a towel I used for when he spilled up the water the other time.
Blanket, towel. What's the difference? Jeremy.
Oh, what a dude.
Hurt this guy badly.
By dude, what a dude, I do not mean a good dude. Yes.
Damn.
Damn. Why'd you put so much focus into hurting Donnie, dude?
I'm saying that tipsy pirate's dead.
Was it the tipsy pirate? I thought it was Jeremy.
I think it was Jeremy. Yeah. Looking at the move
That's some bullshit.
initiative. Oh shit, shrimp's still poisoned.
It'll
Okay,
go
so
away
now we
eventually.
got bolt and telekinetic force.
What's telekinetic force do?
Some damage and looks like stun also. On
Let's
perfect.
see.
Might as well always do this.
I didn't mean to speed that up.
It didn't even speed up for me, so we're all chilling. My bad.
You're all good.
Oh, not what I'm wanting to do. I think I'm gonna hit another one of these tipsy pirates so that when they get ringed again, might have 2 people die.
Yo, fucking Donnie made sure of it. Well, shit. We're gonna try this without spending any. I mean, you should probably kill the pirate. Why am I red? Oh.
That's what I bet they do.
Yes, sir. Okay, the only way we get kibble, or this guy gets levels, is by buying him kibble.
I see. Do you want this?
No. Do you want this? I'll take that as a no.
Yeah, I said nah. I don't know if it came through. I'm guessing not.
I did not hear it, so.
I meant to take that, but might as well have one of us have one.
I think that bag, like, she ends up like. Yo, could my guy have them? I think he's using vitality, right?
Yeah.
Do either of your people want this?
I know Caesar at least doesn't have a hat, so at the very least we could get that party resistance. $99. I
Yeah.
forgot about that shit. We do have a real gift for violence.
Okay, but what if we do this other thing, the caravan?
The mercenary caravan.
Yeah.
I'm down. Fuck. I'd have to use 2 focuses to get close enough this round.
It is what it is. Okay, what happens if I give this dude kibble?
Ooh, the
He's now level
town
1.
we started at has 4 kibble.
This place has 12, the place I'm at.
Okay, I see.
Okay, that sends his level way up. He's level 1, almost level 2 now. Do I still have kibble? You're fucking me. I could have sworn I just fed this guy. Oh, what I could do is try and... Can you sell things here? There's this thing called bulk processing I'm gonna try. Tell you how it works out.
Okay.
Oh no.
Is that in the market?
I guess I can't sell them here.
I see.
What's that?
Ooh. It is a cellar. Ooh, I might run up to these field of herbs real quick.
Yep. Pause the video. I'm gonna grab a. Well, I'm gonna start it and then grab a snack.